What is up and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? Who or what is OpenAI? How to use ChatGPT. Let's get quickly started with this ChatGPT tutorial. I'm going to explain and answer all of these questions for you. The first things first, ChatGPT is being developed or created by a company named as OpenAI. OpenAI is an AI research and deployment company, and their mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity, that is AGI. In order to use ChatGPT, you will just have to go ahead and do a Google research saying ChatGPT. And you can click on this first link, that is openai.com/blog/ChatGPT. The moment you click on the link, it's going to take you to this interface and it's going to give you the information about ChatGPT optimizing language models for dialogue. You can click on the CTA over here, that is try ChatGPT. It will land you up on a connections page and it's going to ask you to go ahead and log in or sign up. I'm going to show that quickly, the process for ChatGPT. Alright, so I tried to reach out this particular URL and it's giving me a message that ChatGPT is currently at capacity right now, which means a lot of people are actually searching for the site. Anyway, I have signed in through my account. To make you understand, the login process or the sign up process is going to be really simple. You can simply go ahead and log in into ChatGPT through your Google account, and then you will have to verify your phone number. Once you verify your phone number, this is the screen that you land up on. And as we can see on the screen, there are examples that are given over here, there are capabilities and there are limitations. So to start with, ChatGPT is just like a chatbot. It's going to answer your questions, whatever you ask. For example, explain quantum computing, and you just have to click. ChatGPT will start typing the answer over here. The best feature about ChatGPT is it is completely not a plagiarized content. You can use ChatGPT for writing your blogs, your articles, or even get solutions for your simple queries. As you can see on the left hand corner, I have used ChatGPT for quite some prompts, and trust me guys, it does wonders. So to answer your question, is ChatGPT a chatbot? No, it is not just a chatbot. In a chatbot, we have the options to give an answer inbuilt from the backend as to if a user questions how to use your website, there is a specific answer that the chatbot is going to perform. But on ChatGPT, you don't have to do it. You can simply start a new chat by clicking over here. And for example, I'm just going to ask a question. So I've typed my question over here, how to grow on Quora, and I'm going to select this particular arrow. As you can see, ChatGPT has already started functioning with the steps. In order to grow on Quora, write high quality, informative and well-researched answers to the questions on the platform, engage with other users by upvoting and commenting on their specific answers, and so on and so forth. It's gonna give you a massive amount of data which is absolutely not plagiarized. So you can go ahead and directly copy this particular data and paste it wherever you want. You can also use ChatGPT for writing your blogs. Another query I've raised over here, can you write a blog on how to grow on LinkedIn? I'm going to press this button. Let's see how it acts. Here is a blog on how to grow your presence on LinkedIn. The first step, it's given me optimize your profile. Make sure your LinkedIn profile is complete and up to date. And as you can see, it is continuously just generating the content for us. It's still going on. Generally, we write a blog which is like a 500 to 1,000 characters or words. And as you can see right now, ChatGPT has already given me a starter content over here. I'm going to quickly show you how many characters has it actually generated for me, and basically this is how you can make money with ChatGPT. For example, if you ask me how do I make money with ChatGPT or how to make money with ChatGPT, this is the answer, guys. You pay a blogger to write that 500,000 words or characters blog. Let's see how much characters are these. So I am on this website called as charactercountonline.com, and I'm just simply going to paste the content that I got from ChatGPT. And as you can see, guys, it is 1,497 characters and 222 words, which means my blog is already ready. I can go ahead and simply upload this content on my blog, or I can also share it with a brand or an influencer if you're getting paid for that kind of a service. And you don't have to pay any more to the content writers or maybe a copywriter altogether, because ChatGPT does entire thing for you. I will also show you some prompts that I tried some time back. Like for example, optimize LinkedIn profile 2023. So these are the steps that ChatGPT gave me in terms of optimizing my LinkedIn profile. Use a professional headshot as a profile picture. Make sure your headline accurately reflects or your current job title and industry. Use keywords in your profile summary and job descriptions to make it easier for recruiters to find out, so on and so forth. Totally, it has given me 10 points which I can use for optimizing my LinkedIn profile. Another query I asked ChatGPT was how do I integrate ChatGPT on my WordPress website? That is also possible, and it has given me a huge answer for that. ChatGPT is a large language module developed by OpenAI, and it is not a plugin or software that can install on WordPress website. However, you can use OpenAI API to integrate GPT-3 functionality into your WordPress website. What that simply means is, even though we cannot directly install ChatGPT as a plugin on the WordPress website, we can install the OpenAI API on the WordPress website, and it's gonna work similarly like a chatbot. Here's another example that I asked ChatGPT: free tools for Instagram 2023, and it has listed down 10 tools for me, which includes Hootsuite, Later, Canva, VS Code, Buffer, Unfold, InShot, Preview, Instagram Insights, and Iconosquare. That's not it. I actually tried to ask it a bit of a difficult question, and that was social media strategy. What should I include in my social media strategy? It has answered that particular question so quickly and so in such easy words that you will just figure out what exactly are you supposed to do when you create a social media strategy. Not just that, but I also asked another question: SEO basics explained. It has told me about search engine optimization, that is SEO is a process of improving the visibility and ranking of a website or a web page on a search engine's unpaid results. Basically, SEO is basically getting organic traffic. It has answered the question so brilliantly that a layman also will understand. This is how you can use ChatGPT. Alright, so this was my video. This was basically a ChatGPT tutorial. I hope I have answered your question. What is ChatGPT? How to use ChatGPT? How ChatGPT works? How to make money with ChatGPT? And I've also shown you few of the use cases, like the ChatGPT use cases. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, guys, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with few more use cases that you can use ChatGPT for, and those will be some brilliant ChatGPT use cases. Thank you for your time. I'll see you the next time.